Softly you shine when all is still, a quiet light beyond my will. You guide my heart through skies of blue. My night begins and ends with you. My moon, my gentle flame, you call my soul by name. Through every darkened tomb, I breathe beneath my moon.